Yes, so hello guys. Today's the 23rd of April, and if you wrote last year A level, you're probably looking for your results right now. So this guide, I'm just going to guide you through on how you guys can view your results online. So I find this as the easiest way to do this because, well, most people try to do it using links and everything, but you probably won't have the link with you. So you just want to open your browser, maybe on your mobile phone, on your tablet, on your laptop or anything like that. Just search for the ZIMSEC website. I think that's the easiest way to go. So ZIMSEC. So here I have the ZIMSEC website here. So it will take you to this page where you have view results and proceed to website. So in this case, I want to view my results. I don't want to proceed to the website. So I click on view results. So you'll be taken to a page where there are 10 regions. It's Harare up to Bulawayo. So you want to select the region with which your center is. So in this case, PRYCE is MARONDERA. So we are in MARONDERA. So I'm going to use R3 for Mashonaland East. So I click on R3. So it will take you to this page here where you have the ZIMSEC portal. So you notice that we have these tabs here: the center login, the candidate login, and the ZIMSEC login. And we also have the help desk. The help desk is just, well, it just has information, the contact numbers, the toll-free lines, and the connect number, and the help desk landline number. So these are just the contact numbers that you might contact if you need help directly from ZIMSEC. So anyways, what we want to do, you want to register as a new user. So I click on register as a new user. So you'll be taken to this page here where is indicated candidate account registration. So on the right side here, you have some instructions which you have to follow. You enter the 6-digit center number, you enter the 4-digit candidate number, you choose the session on the drop-down list, and then you choose from A level to O level. We actually have grade 7 results there as well. You enter the year you set for the exam. And then this one is the most important one because most people usually, well, they don't successfully create their accounts because they would have mismatched their details when it comes to this one. So you want to enter your candidate name correctly, and you start with your surname followed by your first name and then your initials if you have a second name. That is if your statement of entry has that second name on it or has that initial on it. If you have a second name and you did not put it on your statement of entry, or if it was not put on your statement of entry for some reason, I don't know, you don't want to put that one. So just indicate the details as they appear on your statement of entry because that's how the system has recorded your details. So in this case, this example student that I'm going to use here, he is from a local school here in Marondera. So you put the center number. You also indicate the candidate number. So this is the candidate number for the student, and then I choose the session. This was the November session, and then I choose the level. He's an A-level student. He wrote A-level in 2020. That's and then now you want to put the name for the student. So there's a name for the student, and then here the date of birth. That's the other tricky part, which most people tend to mix match details there, and then they don't successfully register their accounts. You want to put the day you were born. If you were born on the 3rd, indicate with 04 because you see here there is DD. So if you're born on the 4th, you indicate 04, and then the month. If you're born on the first month, is 01. So don't just put 1 and then your year or anything like that. So with this student, okay, well, this might be quite easy because it's a 2-digit already. So you use /. You don't use /. Did I put this one correctly? No, I did not. 03. You see, I indicated 03, not just 3. If you put 3 only, you won't successfully register your account. So yes, that's what we have there. And then you choose a username there. After you choose a username, you want to pick a password that you're going to use. Make sure you don't forget this password. So I saved it somewhere so that I won't forget, and then you click on register. So now it's registering in your account. So you see the portal says account successfully created, username is squared, password, that's the password, proceed to log in. So I click OK. So now it will take me to this page where I'll have to log in. So I'm logging in now, and then I click on log in. And let's wait for it. Now I'm in. Now I can view my results. I think this is the moment where most of you will be shaking, because just a single click for you, you'll see your results. So you might as well view your statement of entry, but in this case, well, we don't need that. So these are the papers that you wrote. That's the candidate that the candidate wrote actually. So you go to candidate results. So I'm not going to proceed to this one because I don't want you guys to see these results. They are not yours. So just follow through everything that I told you in this guide so that you will be able to successfully create your account and view your results online. If you need any help on how you, or if you face any challenges using the portal or anything like that, please feel free to contact our ZIMSEC guide WhatsApp number. The details are indicated in the link below. And well, I wish you good luck. Well, I cannot wish you the best because you already got results. So I wish you good luck. Please get viewing your results and go and collect your slips, and yes, proceed with your education. Wish you the best in your educational endeavor. Thank you.